In this video, we'll walk through the steps required to create a report with your firm's data using the My Firm Data custom reporting tool. Starting at the My Firm Data dashboard, click the Actions menu and choose Create Report. In the upper left-hand side, you'll see Report Type. By clicking here, you'll see a drop-down arrow next to Matters, where you can choose any type of report you'd like to create. As an example, let's choose the Billing Report. Once you choose Billing, you'll notice the categories on the left-hand side have changed. On the right-hand side, the subcategories appear for each category, and the list of selectable fields appears below. We'll now choose what fields we'd like to have included in our report. We can choose from the Billing category, as well as any other category or subcategory shown. Once we've selected the fields that we'd like to have included, you'll notice that they appear in the Spreadsheet Builder below. The Spreadsheet Builder allows you to add additional fields as well as remove them. As an additional note, fields may be relocated in the Spreadsheet Builder by dragging and dropping from one place to another. When we're satisfied with the fields to include in our report, we have the ability to add a title at the top. Let's call this My Weekly Report. If you'd like to start over at any time, just choose Clear at the bottom of the page to clear the data in the Spreadsheet Builder. Since we don't want to start over, let's click on the Preview button. The Preview button opens a new window with the results of your report that you built. You'll notice My Weekly Report is shown at the top, and we have all the fields that were included in our report as the titles of our columns. Click on any of the titles to sort by that column. If you'd like to highlight a row as you're reviewing it, just select the row. At the bottom of the screen, we have the ability to select how much data we want to see on each page, and we can navigate from one page to another if the report has multiple pages. By clicking on Export options at the top right of the screen, you can export the report as a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. You can also print the report using your computer's browser, or email it to yourself to send to others. When we're done reviewing the report, we can close the window to return to our report template. If we'd like to save this report to run or edit later, we can choose Save at the bottom of the screen. Then we're given the opportunity to give it a name. Let's call it Billing Report, and select Save. As you can see, this has saved the report for future use in the saved reports. For now, it will appear in the Recent section, but you'll always be able to find it under the report type of the report that you've chosen. In this case, Billing. To locate all of your saved reports at any time, click the Actions menu and choose Saved Reports. To find out more about My Firm Data, please visit us on our website, social media channels, or YouTube. Thanks for listening, and happy reporting.